let me not tell the story of this.
Yeah, there's some short story.
Wait, this side? Real talk. Maybe. Our photographer right here. Jen the photographer. Hey girl. Pretty devil. Yes, go on. You're talking way too much.
Long time, first 2 seconds and shoot it down.
I've been there all night. Ariana.
I only miss you when the sun goes down. Oh, your voice is my favorite sound. Swaying like the palm trees. You and me were poetry, painting stories with our lips. Hey, 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 oh, hey, hey, you're like a wave washing over me, pulling me underneath, sinking slowly. You're like a wave washing over me, I'll stay underneath, drifting slowly, drifting slowly, slowly.
So guys, it's definitely a vibe at District 5. The customer service is, but the food, yeah, they can't buy. I'll save that for a story time, guys, don't worry. And let me know if you want a story time with some of my friends, because we got a lot of stories to tell. So just leave that down in the comments and I'll get to it.
Yes, that's
So we're taking some pics by the swing. What is why are you laughing?
I was just standing there. I don't know. I thought you were saying hello.
Why are you all laughing? Why are you all laughing?
no, look at Instagram.
We never hear. Honestly, never hear. Never hear. Steph, give me a little catch. Say I'm stressing. Alright, sir?
I'm not good at the worst night.
Stop it. Watch this over there in the swing. The camera.
You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure that your umbrella is up, upside down.
Good morning. It's Sunday. We're on the road again. As you can see from the previous clips, we went out last night with the girls and we just had a fun time. I'll insert some TikToks that we did right here so you guys can check out the vibes, and it was definitely fun. We need to plan like a girls outing every week. That'll be fun, don't it? Now you were encouraged me to go out more, so I'm gonna go out more. So yeah. Girls, what?
Start wearing less and go.
Yeah, she started wearing less and going out more. Why not? You might not play. So it's kind of overcast, but nevertheless, we're taking on the road. We'll go to the supermarket today, and probably a little date later on because the boys are not here. And whenever they're at their grandma's, we take the opportunity to spend some quality time together. Put them in the vlog. People got my head from the vlog, you know. Why your head from the vlog? Even I want New Jersey today, by the way. No Barca jersey today. So this is actually France. But yeah, it's a jersey thing. I don't know. So, alright, I'm not load you up. So yeah, just, oh my god. So just journey with us for the day and see where it takes us. And I know the vlog may not always be like full of vibes and a bag of things, but thank you nevertheless for coming back. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for rocking with me thus far. Weird. See a train. I haven't seen a train in ages, bro. Like we used to literally live, well, they normally live beside that, well, it's not close to the train line, but it's like a good distance from the train line. And every time the train come, we used to run, go to the road and count the, what you call them, some of the containers to see how many of them make up the train or the cylinders. Like, guys, I used to love seeing the train. Brings back memories. Yes.
Did she buy all these fruits from?
Yes.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Oh, this is Amar, the artist, otherwise known as the Fruits Man. Yeah. I sell all around Spanish Town, yeah?
Oh, you're well known.
See?
So I'm looking to get some grapes from the Fruits Man this morning. Probably some banana too. The boys love bananas.
Yeah.
They say well known in Spain.
Yes, yes.
Alright, you can check him out. Just look for the green car.
Yeah. Amar, the artist. Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
What's your name? Who may so want to be YouTuber over here? You? It's funny, you should do it. All you need is a phone. You have a channel? Big up your channel. What's the name of your channel?
Mama, wow.
Yeah, ask mommy. Now you have to know the name of your channel.
Most of Chevanese.
You don't even know the name of your channel. What you do on your channel?
Chevron.
Want a tripod?
Look at me.
I think I have a tripod at home that I don't use. I'm going to give Gregory to give it to you. Here?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who looks at something? Yeah, they just afraid. We're never going to stop.
No, we're never going to stop.
Eat that today.
Never.
We're at the supermarket trying to get some stuff done.
Which one?
The one want to start making some green juice. I'm trying to get some green apples. Get some regular apples for the boy. And get these for the boy. Salt. Like, it's so weird for me to shop at like a supermarket that I'm not familiar with, because basically I know where everything is here, so it's so much easier for me to shop and get things. Okay, cookie and cream, and just some regular cheesecake, my favorite. Alright, so you know me, I get this, right? Look, they have a little Christmas tree, and I guess you can go and cash it. What happened?
I was walking.
Yeah, but it's walking now. Right. And I can't come to the supermarket without getting my handy dandy tambourine, guys. I'm a tambourine addict, so may I stack up on the tambourine ball. I don't really see the ones that I usually buy, but I'll have to settle for these. Can get 2 donuts. Well, not these ones. Probably get, ooh, 2 donuts. And then we can go cash. Alright, so I guess that's it for the supermarkets. I'll cash now. Guys, so I am back and it is actually nighttime and we are headed to the movies. We're going to see Spider-Man. What? No Way Home? Spider-Man No Way Home. If you guys have checked it out, don't leave any spoilers down below. Well, I mean, by the time you see this video, I'll have watched it, so that's totally fine. If you want to leave your comments below, tell me if you thought it was good or not. So that's where we're heading, and in the meantime, I do want to introduce a new segment on my channel where I'm actually going to do like some shout outs, like comment shout outs. That's very popular on Instagram. That's very popular on YouTube. So I noticed that I do have a couple followers that are always commenting, so I just want to give you a big shout out from now. Thank you guys for rocking with me, and look out for a shout out because you could be the lucky person. So yeah, I'm going to Portmore, so I'll see you when I get there. I'll see you when we get there. Guys, we have grapes from morning at the fruits man. We see my stop. Man, I say I'm a half pound of grape for $500. That's cheap, don't it? So guys, as you can see, the movies are all movies are sold out because we were so late. And you know, I tried to buy the ticket online and it never worked. So we have to go somewhere else right now. I'm probably get some ice cream or something. So that's the pre. But look, you don't move the car or you don't come up. Guys, at this point we're just over it, so we went and got some Wendy's and headed home to just chill out and spend some quality time with each other. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.